Now I have to make some announcement that Indian History Congress over the period of time has instituted numerous prizes for the best papers to encourage our young researchers and young colleagues. So I'm just announcing the names quickly so that they can come closer to the dais, and I will request the publication in charge, Professor Shirin Musfi, to make the announcement, and Professor Dr. Tripta Verma, our treasurer, they shall present the prize money and certificate to Professor Chattopadhyay to be conferred on these scholars. So I just quickly name them as for Sarvani Paramik Nayak, Nazir Aziz Anjum, Priyanka Chanana, Priya P, Biswajit De Burman, Rajesh Kumar Nayak, Anna Varghese, Dr. Tripta Vahi, Tanya Roy, Suman Mandal, Sadaf Fatma, and Saurabh Bajpayee to come closer to the dais. And now I request Professor Shri Musvi, the publication in charge, to make the announcement of the prizes, and I will request Dr. Tripta Verma, our treasurer, to help in the disbursement of the certificate and the prize money. I will request Professor B.D. Chattopadhyay to confer the award on the recipients of this year's certificate and prizes.
Professor Vijay Kumar Thakur Memorial Prize for the best essay goes in section 1, Ancient India, goes to Sabrani Parmanik Naik of Calcutta on her paper Movement and Migration of Brahmins in Andhra from Epigraphy, 7th to 10th century CE. Professor J.S. Grewal Prize for the best paper in the category in Medieval India goes to Mr. Nazar Aziz Anjum for his paper on horse in Mughal India. He is from Aligarh and Jamia both. The first prize which was instituted was that of Professor Parthasarathy Gupta Memorial Prize. It is now combined with the Professor J.C. Jha Memorial Prize. It goes to two persons, Ms. Priyanka Channa of Delhi University on her paper Caste, Ties, Allodial Rights and Colonial Administration in Awadh during summary settlement after 1858. The next prize goes to Ms. Priya P. from Government College, Kerala, Popular Distress and the Second World War, Malabar, 1939 to 45. She is in present. Professor Sudhir Ranjan Das Memorial Prize for best paper in the section 5 Archaeology goes to Biswajit De Burma of JNU Delhi, the host university. A preliminary survey of fossil wood tools in Sadra Valley, Tripura. The Professor Papia Ghosh Memorial Prize for Contemporary India goes to Rajesh Kumar Naik, University of Chhapra, Bihar, on his paper Quest for Equality and Identity, the Pasmanda Muslim Discourse in Post-Independent Bihar. Professor B.B. Chaudhary Prize for a paper on social and economic history of India in common for all the three sections goes to Ms. Anna Varghese. It will be taken by her supervisor in place of her. She has gone for her UGC NET exam on Ugachana or Kottigal, the temple drummers from Kerala. Dr. I.G. Khan Memorial Prize for History of Science and Technology goes to Dr. Tripta Vahi of Delhi University on her paper Shah Neher, its history, technology and socio-political implications. Dr. Nasreen Ahmed Memorial Prize for Gender History goes to Ms. Tania Roy on her paper Ownership of the Womb, a Study of Jatakas. Professor O.P. Jaiswal Prize goes for a paper on Indian national movement goes to Suman Mandal from Hooghly on his paper Tarakeshwar Satyagrah, a historical incident revisited. Dr. Ganeshwari Jaiswal Memorial Prize for a paper based on archival and epigraphic data goes to Ms. Sadaf Fatima of AMU on her paper Gardens in Mughal India in the Light of Inscriptions. Professor M. Athar Ali Memorial Prize goes for the best paper in the entire volume of the 1973rd session, goes for which there is no age bar, goes to Mr. Saurabh Bajpayee of JNU again for his paper Social Tension as Political Strategy, Methods of Communal Mobilization in United Provinces, 1937-39. Thank you.
So, congratulations to the winners of the prize. Thank you very much.